February, buddy. Happy Monday, Black Cat. Oh my goodness, are you so happy to see me? Did anybody come visit you this weekend? I couldn't come, buddy, because I had family in town. We had relatives over, buddy, so I wasn't able to escape to come visit you. Did anybody come visit you, Black Cat? Hold on, buddy boy. Come on. Well, I know. Well, give me some big kitty hugs, okay? Whoa, my goodness. Can I have some big kitty hugs? Whoa, big chin scratchies. Whoa, good morning, big boy. Huh, you're going to be mad because I didn't visit you this weekend, huh? Well, give me some big kitty hugs. Oh, some big kitty hugs. Oh, some big kitty hugs. Oh, my goodness. Such a big boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. Huh. I had to get some big kitty hugs. Huh, big kitty hugs. Oh, I know he's such a good boy. Huh, Black Cat? Huh, well, he's such a big good boy. Black Cat, Black Cat, Black Cat. Purpers, big purpers, huh? Big old purpers, huh, buddy boy? Okay, let's get your food. Let's get your food, big boy. Hold on. We got to put the nom nom cams down. Nom nom cam, Black Cat, nom noms. Okay, here you go, buddy. Oh, happy Monday. And the first Monday of February, bud. Okay, we got to clean your litter box, Black Cat. Let's see, what's the temperature today? What's today? February 2nd? It's already 60 degrees at 6:30 in the morning, buddy. It's going to be hot again because it was hot all weekend. Black Cat, it was like 75 yesterday and windy. I hate the wind. Okay, Black Cat, I'm going to clean your litter box. You want to do Black Cat action cams? Come on. Come on, buddy. Black Cat action cam, Black Cat action cam. Alright. Come on, we're going back the other way. Come on. Black Cat action cam. Come on, Black Cat. Baby mountain lion? Can you give me a baby mountain lion, buddy? Baby mountain lion, come on. Black Cat. Black Cat. Oh, what kind of what? That was a happy meow, huh? Give me a baby mountain lion. Black Cat. What do you say, buddy? Hold on. You there and stole Mama's food, didn't you? You did, didn't you? Huh? Did you go out there and steal Mama's food? Why are y'all pissed? Oh boy, now he's pissed off. Huh. So you're happy first thing in the morning because you missed me, and then now you're pissed off because you missed me, huh? Yeah, I know. Well, you better fix those ears, buddy. Fix them ears. You point those ears forward, not backwards, buddy. Okay? You know every weekend we have the weekend off. And that's when you have to work and find mice and rats. Because the bread people next door bring all the rats over here. But they don't know that we have a secret weapon in our shop. Huh. We have a little weapon of mass destruction for the rats, huh? Black Cat. Do you hit them with that one tooth? Is that how you hook them, with that one tooth, buddy? Hey. You hook them with the one tooth? And then you smash them? No, you better calm down over there. Give me some hugs. Give me some hugs. Give me some hugs over here, big boy. Huh, well, you're such a handsome boy over here. Such a handsome boy over here, huh, Black Cat? Hi, Black Cat. Hi, Black Cat. Hi, Black Cat. No more food, buddy. You ate your food and Mama's food. Oh, you were going to whack me, weren't you? You were going to do Black Cat whack, huh? Oh, Black Cat, whack. Matt, you had claws out, Black Cat. Hey, no. You had no. Here, be good boy. You had claws out. See? You better fix those ears, Black Cat.
Supervisor. Black Cat, the supervisor. Supervisor in the shop. He's eyeballing me because I'm not working. Eyeballs on me. Oh boy, I better get back to work. Supervisor's looking at me. Oh no, here he comes. What's up, Godzilla? What's up, Godzilla? What's up, Godzilla? Give me a big lion roar, buddy. Okay, give me a big lion roar. Big lion roar.
What a Black Cat Tuesday. Black Cat, you dropping pennies all over the place? You dropping pennies? Look. Black Cat, you're dropping your pennies. Black Cat. Black Cat, Black Cat. Okay, well, I know I got food. I got coffee too. Come on. Let's go, big boy. Where'd you go? Come on. You're on the wrong side, buddy. This side. There. That's your side. You're on that side, big guy. Okay, hold on, buddy. Whoa, you got cat litter on your head again? Oh, who's just a big old good boy down here? Who's a big old handsome boy? Oh, he's such a good boy. Happy Tuesday, Black Cat. Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Hey, Black Cat, you know what Taco Cat is backwards? You know what Taco Cat is backwards? Taco Cat. Look it up, buddy. Taco Cat backwards is Taco Cat. Taco Tuesday. Maybe we can make you some kitty food tacos. Okay, let me get your food, bud. Hold on. Only a little bit, though. We'll save you some for later, okay? We'll get you some for later, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready, big boy? Are you ready? What's this? Are you ready? There you go. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna put this one in the fridge. And then we're gonna get clean your liver. Let's see, 6:30 in the morning. What's the temperature today? It's supposed to be real hot today, Black Cat. 58.3. It's supposed to be like 80 something degrees today, buddy. I don't like that. It's not supposed to be that hot right now. Black Cat, Black Cat. Alan, did you finish all your breakfast? Did you finish all your breakfast, Mountain Lion? I can't give you any more, okay? You're still on a diet, big boy. Okay, you're still on a diet, big boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. Let's go sit in the office. Come on. Let's go sit in the office for a little bit, big boy. Okay, hold on. Supervisor's watching me. Supervisor Black Cat's watching me again.
Supervisor Black Cat. Black Cat. Supervising? Supervisor? Big lion roar? Hi, buddy. That was a good one. Who's that good boy? Black Cat. Wednesday, the February 4th, buddy. Huh. Good morning, Black Cat. Got your food. You ready, buddy? Let's get I want some pets first. Come on, I want some big kitty hugs over here. I want some big kitty hugs over here, Black Cat. Do I get some? Oh, hi. Good morning, big boy. Can I have some big kitty hugs? Black Cat. Oh, big purpers, huh? Good morning, buddy. No Black Cat wax, okay? Big boy. Boy, you're such a good boy, huh? Sleeping in your little thing? Oh, you get the chair, huh? You sleep on the chair and then you got your bed. Much better than sleeping in the bushes, huh? Where coyotes can get you, huh? Much better. Much better. I wish I could take you home, Black Cat, but I already have 3 kitties from the bushes out here. I have Random Kitty, I have Mama Bear, and Super Kitty. They all came from the bushes out here too. You used to beat up Random Kitty. Remember when you were mean? And you would beat up Random Kitty. I don't think you and Random Kitty get along. Plus, Random Kitty beat you up now because he's young. You're old timer. You're retired. You're a retired feral cat. You're no longer a mean guy. Okay, Black Cat, let's get your food. Ready? Let's get your food, big boy. Yeah, we'll do half now and then half later, okay? Black Cat? Black Cat? What's this? You ready? Here you go. Wednesday, Nom Nom Cam. Or Black Cat. And I gotta clean your litter box and I gotta make the coffee bud. What's the temperature for Wednesday, February 4th at 6:30 in the morning? It is 58 degrees. 58, buddy boy. It's supposed to be 84 today, Black Cat. It's supposed to be 84 degrees today in Santa Ana winds again. I hate those winds. On your head again, Black Cat. Good morning, Black Cat. It's Thursday, February 5th. February 5th, big boy. Good morning, Black Cat. Hi, good morning. Are you a good boy? Good morning, Black Cat. Big purpers. Okay, come on. Look at, I got you. We're going to have salmon today, buddy. Salmon. Jammin' salmon, bud. Let's go. Jammin' salmon today, buddy, for breakfast. You ready? You're all shiny, Black Cat. Okay, let's get your food ready, bud. Well, I got the food up here, buddy. And we'll save some for later, okay? We'll make sure we have some for later. Here you go, big guy. Because I know Mama's going to want some of that food. Gotta save some for Mama too. Let's see what the temperature is at 6:25 a.m. It is 66 degrees, buddy boy, at 6:25 a.m. It's gonna be hot again today, Black Cat. Those stupid Santa Anas. I hate those winds.
Okay, clean your litter box, bud. Baby mountain lions down there? Black cat? That wasn't a baby mountain. That was like a baby mountain lion. Roar, huh? Are you baby mountain lions? Black cat, are you baby mountain lions? Should we do black cat action cam? Let's do black cat action cam. Black cat action cam. Black cat action cam. Come on. Come on, black cat action cam. Okay. Oh, big headbutt on the camera. Okay, this way. Come on, black cat action cam. Black cat action cam. Black cat. Where's that black cat? Where's that black cat? Are you gonna headbutt the camera again, big boy? Black cat. Oh, he's a big old good boy. I gotta be careful because you just instinctively do the black cat whack, huh? Oh, did you finish all your catnip, buddy? You finish all your catnips? Huh. Because you just, out of nowhere, will throw up that black cat whack, huh? And nail me, won't you? Oh, static. Be careful, don't zap you on the nose, buddy. I got shocked from static from rubbing your back. I forgot when the Santa Ana's win, get the static, and then I'll zap your ear tips and your nose, and then you get mad at me. Huh. Then you get mad at me, huh, because I zap you. Black cat. Oh, such a handsome boy, huh? Such a handsome boy. Friday, Black cat. Black cat. Friday, February 6th, I believe. Feral Cat Friday, bud. Another Feral Cat Friday, bud. Good morning. Good morning, big boy. Big old handsome boy. Good morning. Black cat. Feral Cat Friday. I bet you want some Friday food, huh? Some Friday food. Big boy, big boy. Big purpers. Big old purpers. You got the big purpers again? Yeah? Big purpers again, buddy? Oh, big boy, big boy. Okay, let me put my stuff away and we'll get you breakfast, okay? Hold on, buddy. Where's your bowl? How'd your bowl end up way over here? Okay, ready? Are you ready, Black Cat? Get your food, buddy. Too cold? You want some? You want some of the other stuff? You're all right. Here, I'll give you a little bit of this one too. There you go, bud. There you go, buddy boy. The other one can thaw. We can eat it later. Okay, gotta go clean your litter box and get the coffee going, bud. Yummy, yummy. It'll be cooler today. Let's check it out. We're at 6:45. 63.9 Fahrenheit, 6:45 in the morning. See, it's gonna be warm, cooler today, Black Cat. Handsome boy. Baby mountain lion? Baby mountain lion? How come you're doing baby mountain lions, buddy? Huh? Get baby mountain lion. Rare. Huh. You're supposed to put your paw up, go rare. Black Cat. Black Cat, when you go rare, put your paw up and stand up on two legs and go rare. Yeah, like a baby mountain lion. Bye, buddy boy. Good morning, buddy boy. Good morning, big boy.
No black cat wax. Don't black cat whack me.
Good stuff, mamas. Good stuff, mamas.
Yeah.
Make sure black cat don't get you. Get your food, mama. Supervisor sleeping. What's up, Sleepy? What's up, Sleepy? What's up, Sleepy boy? Big old sleepy boy, huh? Big old sleepy boy, huh? Hey, Black Cat, what you doing, Black Cat? Can you give me a big Godzilla? Can you give me a big Godzilla? Give me a big Godzilla, buddy. Come on, I know you got one in there. I ran out of room. Give me a bucket, big Godzilla. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Sleepies? Give me a big Godzilla. Where'd you go? Sniffer the shoes? Paquet. What's going on down there, big boy? What's going on down there, big boy? What's going on, buddy? Supervising? Supervising, Black Cat? Who's a big handsome boy down there? Black Cat is? What's going on down there? Battery's almost dead on the camera, buddy. A lot of footage of you this week.